everyone. And so we're doing another KK's language 2 days in a row. I'm probably gonna be doing daily uploading. Yeah. But on Wednesdays, tomorrow, I'm gonna do news. I definitely know that. So yeah, anyways. Let's go to vid 2 on the KK's language. So in the last vid, we learned all of this. Yeah, and these now on video 2. So, the first one is hello equals yo. So, yeah. Hello equals so like hello when you're saying actually yo in my language. And then yo actually equals hello. So like yo means hello. But hello means yo. Anyway, so then C means so C equals good in my language. So like this is good. It's like yeah. Anyways, now rat and pig. So rat equals cat. I'm not saying cats are like rats. But then pig equals dog. I don't sing dog or pigs. It just makes more sense that it's animals. Anyways, this is just any number. Well, you could just put a number. In my language here. And then his equals boy, like in the real English. Then pop equals song. So like pop. When you're actually saying song. And then fine equals bad. And then 2 equals 2. Now the sentences. The sentences is, yo, let's move to you, rat dog. What is actually saying, hello. Let's go to the, wait, hang on. Let's go to the cat store. Yeah. So like, hello, let's go to the cat store. Now, let's go to the second one, which is, let's move to you, rat dog. When you're saying, let's go to the cat store. Wait. Yeah. It's almost the same as the top one. But then, now, let's go to 7-Eleven. You know, the gas station. And then, down here, the final sentence. Hello. So, yo. Let's go. And that's all I have for this one. So the next video on this channel is gonna be KK's News. There's gonna be KK's News. Now, when it's Saturday or Sunday, there's gonna be a schedule for actually every single thing. So either there's gonna be 3 warnings or 3 news, like a week, or, like 2 news or 2 warnings. Yeah. So that would be coming out on, like, Saturday or Sunday. But for now, I'm gonna do, like, Wednesday and maybe Friday I'm gonna do KK's News. But, yeah, there might not be a video on Friday, but I definitely know Thursday's gonna have a video. And I know tomorrow. Anyways, that's about it for this video. See you in the next news video. Bye!